welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk. If you're coming back, welcome back. Today I have a haul. It's mostly pins. It's a mostly pin haul, but I do have 3 items that are not pins. And yeah, I'm really excited, so let's hear all about it. So this is all coming from Bookmans. I've talked about Bookmans before. It is an Arizona chain, but it is like a secondhand store where you can go sell stuff and then they give you money back or they give you credit so you can use it. And that's how I purchased this. I used it with credit. So I'm gonna start with the pop. We were so excited to see this. This is a Walt Disney withdrawing Funko Pop, and I will take it out of the box because, again, we already bought it at secondhand, so I'm sure he's already been outside the box, and I'm pretty sure my husband's gonna display it outside the box, but I'll be careful with the box either way. But there you can see Walt Disney withdrawing, and then over here you have Walt, you have the 100 like shiny hologram thing, you have the picture of Walt Disney, and then him drawing boat sail Mickey. Yeah, it probably says it on here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the box. I know it's gonna hurt for some of you, but as you can tell, I am definitely an out of the box person because I like to see their behinds in like a non-weird way. I like to see the details that they have. So yeah, so this is what he looks like. I can't tell if he's been out of the box or not, quite honestly. He's still in pretty good shape, but there it is, Steamboat Mickey with the drawing. It's really nice because there's sketch marks on there. That's wild. Black and white. Maybe he has been out. There's a little bit of dust on him, but I don't know if it's dust or it's just like plastic particles that, you know, get in our water and, you know, get us sick. Anyways. Oh, look, see, this is why there's like a little indent on his jacket. You can see the back. I'm sorry, Walt, for touching you so much, but yeah, amazing. So we bought this for $25.50 there. I do believe there's a pre-sale for it again. I believe when he first came out it was like Hot Topic, and now I saw a pre-sale for it at Target. So I think they're making new ones. We got it for $25, which is more than he would cost if you found them for normal price. But the nice thing again is we had store credit, and I got 20% off for being a teacher. So that is not bad. Okay, and then the other item that is not pins is this item, and yes, I will take it out of the box. Again, it's gonna hurt someone, I know, and I apologize in advance, but it is this Mickey toy. Now I feel like I remember seeing these at the Disney store when we had Disney stores, but it is a 4-piece die-cast metal set, and it is of the little tram, parking lot tram. I love this little tram. When it was not there and the box is already like not in great shape, right? So like, yeah, another reason to get it out of the box. And I feel like it has been out of the box because look, there's no tape on it. Anyway, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, I really like these trams because if you've ever been to Disneyland, if you ever went right after the pandemic, we went during a Taste of Disney and you had to walk that entire amount. The whole time you had to walk, and so it was definitely missed. This is $35.50, again with store credit and 20% off. And it looks like it's gonna be more complicated than I thought, and maybe it hasn't been out of the box. Now I'm second guessing it. But that's what it looks like. It says Disney Transportation. It is metal. Look at the little seats. And there it is. If you can tell, it has like tape in the bottom and it has these nail things, which are gonna be so fun to take off. I'll have to figure this out. But yeah, it's gonna look so amazing somewhere on one of my shelves. Yes, okay. And then I got stickers, but I didn't think I was gonna show them to you. They're just here, 50 cents, Star Wars stickers for my mail. Okay, the rest of them are pins, so I will do a close-up on the pins so they can be focused. I'm gonna try using a different camera, so I apologize in advance if the quality looks different. We got a new camera. I want to experiment with it before our trip, our mystery trip. So I'm gonna be experimenting, so I apologize in advance if it looks different, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pins now. Okay, so let's start with the pins. The first one says Feel the Force. As you can tell, it was $8 with 20% off. It has a little starfighter, I think that's what it's called. And then this is what the back looked like. It does have a Mickey backing, so that's kind of nice. And then let me take the placard. So the backside looks okay. It looks pretty nice. I'm still trying to figure out how to tell if they're real or not. Now this one I feel like it's real, just based on the how it feels. And I feel like I've seen it at the parks. Like this is one of the things I've seen because they had a whole line where they had the jackets and coats and shirts, all of this print. So that's why I feel like this one, feel that this one is one of the real ones. So I'm gonna put it there and let's move on to the next one. The next one we have is this one. It says first visit to Disney World. This one was $9. Now I've been to Disney World now 5 times, which is crazy because I really thought I was gonna go once and then not go for a really long time, and no, that wasn't the case. I somehow managed to influence my husband to go with me again and my friend Kitty to go with me again. So yeah, so this is the backside. Again, I feel like this one is pretty real. I've seen it in the parks as well. I just didn't want to pay for it full price in the parks, but it is stunning. And I didn't have a first visit one from years ago. Our first visit, right, was before the pandemic, and it was so different than it is now. So yeah, it's just really pretty. Couldn't pass it up. Okay, moving on. I have this Maleficent one. It was $8 and it is not for me. I've been collecting trader pins for a while, so I just stack them. I'm like, okay, this person would like this one, this person would like this one, and then eventually if I have enough, I'll send them to the person. So this was $8. So this is going to someone who likes villains a lot. Once I get enough. I feel like sending one pin is kind of weird, but it is Maleficent. I am not a big Maleficent person. I do like villains, but Maleficent isn't my jam, so I'd rather give it to someone who is their jam. But she's really pretty, very detailed, and for $8, could not pass her up. And she, yeah, she's great. Let's put her there. All right, the next one we have is Madame Mime. Now this one I might trade it. It's $5. I really got excited when I saw her because I don't see a lot of Madame Mime or a lot of pins from that movie actually. So I was really excited to see her, and now that I'm looking at her again, I'm like, I don't know. I'm debating it. So she is really nice and cute, but her face, I don't know. I think it's the styling of it. Here's the backside. Again, it looks fine to me, but she might be a trader, and her pin back was a little bit different too, so I'm assuming she came from maybe like a mystery box set. I feel like usually they have those pin backs. Next up is Grumpy. Not just a mood, it's a lifestyle. It was $6. I bet you've seen this t-shirt everywhere because they have this print everywhere. I liked it as a pin. I don't know that I would wear it as a shirt, but this is me, yes, Monday through Friday. No, Monday through Thursday. On Fridays, I'm less grumpy. I wonder why. But this is the backside. Again, it looks pretty authentic to me. It says Grumpy. I might eventually trade this, but for now it's going straight up on my pin board because it's just too cute. And the backing is another one of those Mickey backing, so let's put them there. Okay, moving on, we have this one. This one, I don't know if it's real or not. I couldn't tell. I tried Googling it to see if it was like a fantasy pin. It was $9, and it is Stitch on the dark side holding what looks like, I don't know, like a spell of some sort. But I just thought it was so cool. But see, the pin is different. The backing of it is different. So it doesn't really feel very Disney-y. But then the back side does look kind of authentic. It's really hard for me to tell. I'm not the best at this. But I have to assume this is like a fantasy pin. I don't know. Somebody who knows more about pins, I'm sure you're going to correct me in the comments about this pin. I just really like it because I like Stitch and Dark Side Stitch. I mean, yes, please. So even if it's fantasy, I'm still happy with it. Moving on, we have this Pooh Bear one. Again, this one's not intended for me. It's intended for somebody who likes Pooh more, but I'm just collecting them until I have enough. So this one says admit 1, and it is a ticket stub. I think Pooh looks a little bit weird in this one. I love Pooh Bear, don't get me wrong. He's slowly creeping up to becoming one of my faves. But in this one, his face just looks too happy, too excited. And he was $9. And I feel like this one's pretty common. But there's the back side of it. Again, limited release. That's interesting. But yeah, it's cute. Not for me. It's going to be a trader, or like I'm going to send it to someone. But I thought it was cute enough to get. Moving on, we have Pluto. This one's definitely for me. I mean, I've seen these. I think it comes from the Origami Mystery box sets. This was $6. And those box sets are not $12. So I feel like I got a bargain with this one, and I really like it. I like origami a lot, actually. I have a couple of videos of origami on my channel. I paused for a while because it does take me a while to prep for those videos, but I should probably get back to them because I really like doing origami. But here it is. Here he is. Adorable. I don't know why I haven't bought a mystery pack of the origamis, because they're pretty big and pretty cute. So definitely a keeper. We have Elsa, definitely a trader. It is $5. I figured for trading, that's not bad, especially with 20% off. I feel like somebody, if they saw it on the pin board, they would be really excited because it's Elsa, and I feel like there's a big fan base for Elsa. And it's like the emoji one, so maybe a child would really like it. And for $5, I mean, let's do it. Here is the back of it. It looks pretty normal to me, and I want to say if this one's also from a mystery box set. I don't know. I feel like I talk like I'm an expert, but rest assured, I am not. Here's another one that I probably will trade. It is a Stitch pin. He is cute. He's $6, so not too bad. When I saw him, I was like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. And now I'm like, oh, I don't know. But there is the backing. It looks normal to me. Again, I think this is either from a lanyard or another one of those like, what's it called? Like the mystery box sets where you don't know what you're gonna get. But he's probably gonna be a trader. I'm not sure. Okay, and the last two are two of my absolute favorites. I'm gonna save my favorite for last. But I have this Ghost Mickey. I think this is another like fantasy one because I don't think I've ever seen this pin before. So it's called Ghost Mickey on here. So that's what they called it. $6. He's so cute. I have the backpack that matches this pin. So maybe they did do a pin of this. I just don't remember it. But that's what the back looks like. It says pin trading on the back. I really don't know. Let me know if you have any history on this pin. It feels skinny. Again, it's not a big deal if it's not a real pin because he's cute, but I'm just curious. Okay, and the last one. Ah, so cute! $9 toddler poo pin. So stupid cute. I've seen him in the park so many times and I don't want to shell out the 15 or whatever dollars, and so I've always waited and waited, and it paid off because now he is mine for the low price of $9 with 20% off. Look how adorable he is. So yeah, I had to get him. As you can tell by my tone, I absolutely love him. So cute. And I have quite a bit of poo pins now. So yeah, my collection's slowly growing. Yeah, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know which one was your favorite pin, or if the Funko Pop or monorail was your favorite thing. Let me know also if there's a store like this near you where you can sell and buy Disney merch, because I love it. That's how I get most of my pins. I'm not gonna lie. If you've seen my videos, most of my trader pins come from there. And then I do get some really nice exclusives from there too. It's really weird, but I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and dislike it if you didn't. Leave me a comment if what could I do better or improve. Let me know what the quality was, if you enjoyed the quality, or if you think I still need to tweak it. I'm playing around with it. And don't forget to subscribe. We are going on a mystery trip soon, so be on the lookout for that announcement. And then I have more hauls. I have a bunch of things I bought, and I just haven't had time to do a haul because we came back from I took 2 cruises last year, so editing all of that was a lot. And right now I'm not trying to spend so much money, so I'm finally getting through the stuff that I already spent money on. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a wonderful day. And until next time, adios.